In the heart of Switzerland, a mesmerizing journey unfolded through bustling cities adorned with timeless charm. From Zurich's vibrant streets to Geneva's lakeside serenity, each city painted a unique tapestry of culture and sophistication. Nestled between majestic mountains, Lucerne whispered tales of medieval beauty, while Bern's cobblestone alleys echoed history's footsteps. Exploring the enchanting cities of Switzerland was a journey that unfolded with awe-inspiring beauty and cultural richness. Starting in Zurich, the largest city, the vibrant atmosphere and modern skyline set the tone for the adventure. From Zurich, the journey meandered through the picturesque city of Lucerne, where medieval architecture reflected in the tranquil waters of Lake Lucerne. The iconic chapel bridge and water tower added a touch of history to the enchanting city. The United Nations headquarters and the iconic Jet d'eau fountain stood as symbols of international significance in this lakeside haven. Bern, the capital city, unveiled its charm with UNESCO-listed medieval Old Town. The Zeitklock clock tower and the Federal Palace stood proudly, narrating stories of Switzerland's political and cultural heritage. Basel, a cultural melting pot, greeted with renowned art museums and a vibrant Rhine River. The blend of medieval architecture and contemporary art installations painted a unique portrait of this Swiss city. Lausanne, gracefully situated on the northern shore of Lake Geneva, captivated with its French-speaking charm. The Olympic Museum and the Lausanne Cathedral offered glimpses into the city's multifaceted identity. Lugano, nestled in the Italian-speaking region of Switzerland, unveiled a Mediterranean ambiance. The picturesque Lake Lugano, surrounded by lush hills, set the scene for leisurely strolls and moments of tranquility. The reliable public transportation system, including trains and boats, made city hopping a seamless experience. The Swiss commitment to environmental sustainability was evident with pristine landscapes. From the Montreuil Jazz Festival on the shores of Lake Geneva to the colorful Fête d'Idylle Escalade in Geneva, the itinerary unfolded with diverse cultural experiences. The memories of Switzerland's cities lingered, forming a kaleidoscope of experiences. From the urban sophistication of Zurich to the alpine magic of St. Moritz, each city contributed to a narrative of Swiss diversity. The Neuchâtel Castle and the Collegiate Church showcased the city's historical significance, while the scenic lakeside promenade offered a tranquil escape. Arriving in Winterthur, the city captivated with its world-class art collections, including the Kunstmuseum Winterthur and the Swiss Science Center Technorama. The Grusenpark and the Old Town offered a delightful blend of culture. Heading towards the Rhine Falls, the city of Schaffhausen unveiled the majestic Cascades, Europe's largest waterfall. The medieval charm of the Old Town and the imposing Munich fortress added to the allure of this northern Swiss gem. The journey then took a scenic detour to the town of Avenches, once the capital of Roman Helvetia. The well-preserved Roman ruins, including the Roman amphitheater, provided a fascinating glimpse into Switzerland. In the French-speaking canton of Jura, the town of Delamont showcased its well-preserved Old Town, adorned with medieval architecture. The surrounding Jura Mountains added a scenic touch to this historic destination. Turning towards the Rhone Valley, the town of Sion revealed its medieval Old Town and the imposing Valais and Tourbillon castles. The blend of history and natural beauty made Sion a captivating stop. Arriving in Biel-Pien, Switzerland's bilingual city, the bilingualism added a unique layer to the cultural tapestry. The Omega Watch Museum and the charming Lake Biel contributed to the city's allure. The country's oldest town revealed its medieval Old Town and the impressive Chur Cathedral. The Rhine Gorge, known as the Swiss Grand Canyon, added a natural marvel to the journey. Winding through the Engadine Valley, the town of Pontresina emerged as a haven for nature lovers. The Morteratsch Glacier and the scenic Rossi Valley showcase the region's pristine beauty, making it a retreat for those seeking tranquility. The city of La Chaux-de-Fonds, known for its watchmaking heritage, beckoned next. The International Watchmaking Museum and the unique urban layout designed by renowned architect Le Corbusier highlighted the city's contribution to Swiss horology and modern architecture.
Hey, amazing folks! Thanks a bunch for tuning into our video today. I'm thrilled to share this moment with all of you. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button below the video. Subscribing ensures you won't miss out on more exciting content from our channel. So go ahead, make sure you're subscribed.